Okay, so today we're going to learn how to solder, basic of soldering. So here I have my PCB board that I want to solder, and this PCB board basically just a very simple breakout board for ESP32 microcontroller, and this is basically the result that we're trying to achieve. So what we have here basically male header and female header. So the female header is on the inside of this row, two rows here, and then on the outside we have a male header which basically line up in 3 rows to the right and 1 row to the left. So this is basically the reference board. So now we have this, the board itself, and then we have the male header and the female header. So we might need to have one more. One whole set here, so we have another 2. Alright, so now let's start dealing with the male header first. Right, so the male header will require a number of pins, so definitely you need this cutter. So let me try to line up first, and let's see how many that we need. We need up until here. Okay, so we have 1, we have 2, and then we need another 1 down here. Right, so we have 3. Okay, so we have another 1 at the end here, and there you go. Right, so we have this. Okay, so I'm going to start with the inner part first. So for this, I'm going to take the other 2. And I'm going to start with this on the right there. Okay, so make sure that you set the temperature to 320 degree in the tips. Okay, and then just use your tips at the end of the tips, and then on one side is the solder lead. Just touch on the board pins, and then just tap at the end, just like that. Alright, let's do 1 only first. We start with 1, and let's see the alignment and everything. Seems to be okay, straight. Okay, and then you can see that the what do you call it? The solder leads sit nicely. It's like this. Okay, so if you confirm everything's okay, and then we can just continue with the rest. Just make it. So just quick check, make sure everything looks seems to be okay. Now I can work with the second pin. So same with the second pin. Try one first. Let's see everything is okay, aligned properly, and then try the end, both ends. Right, so now we can continue with the rest. Right, nice. And then the third one. So this one. Okay, same, start both ends. Just to hold things in place, and then at the end. Again, everything aligned, flush to the board, and okay, so done with the first three male headers here. Okay, so next we're going to move on to female header. So for the female header, what you need now is basically just to cut where it's needed. So let's say that I have it there, but you have to add extra one pin to sacrifice. You have to sacrifice one pin in order to cut it properly. So I'm going to cut it just right above of that one extra pin from there. Okay, so and then you can continue with everything look straight and nice, right? So we have it here, put it there. So we are ready now to solder the first end. Alright, so let's see, everything look nice. Flush and everything. Right, so we work on the second, the other end. Same. Okay. And continue with the rest. Okay, so looks okay, and we can work with the other end here. Same, just check how many pins that we need and sacrifice one. Things will fly away sometimes, so you have to be careful. And then right now I can put it there and just solder one first. And then the other end. Check everything flush. Do some minor adjustment. Same with the other one, the other end. And let's see if they're not crooked. And usually you can just put what's remaining. And do some adjustment because sometimes they have something. Small alignment there. Right, so you can just do the first. Right, so everything seems to be okay, and do the soldering. Okay, done. There you go. Same. Okay, so you can actually check the continuity, making sure that there's no connection between pins that are not supposed to be connected. So you can use your multimeter, set to continuity. This one. Then you can test with the continuity, that symbol there, and you can check. That is supposed to, if they touch, means that this is not supposed to touch. You can just check one by one. Let's test the connectivity. If there's any connectivity, it's supposed to sound it. So for example, like this pin here to this pin here, they're supposed to be this. Both of these pins are supposed to be connected. Okay, so you can hear sound. Okay, you can check, and this part here is not supposed to be connected. No sound produced. Okay, just check on that, just making sure that everything's okay. All the there are no excess soldering iron, soldering leads that might they connected that produce issues later on. Alright, so that's it. Easy peasy.